Hello friends, I am Atul Gadam. This video is for 10th standard. Name of content is Introduction to Trigonometry. The question is from R.D. Sharma. Page number 10.24. Exercise number 10.1. Question number 7. If cot theta is equals to 7 upon 8. The value of cot theta is 7 upon 8. Then evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. एंड सेकंड थिंग कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा. अगर आपने ये क्वेश्चन अच्छी तरीके से रीड करने के बाद आपको समझ में आएगा यहाँ में 1 प्लस साइन थीटा इंटू 1 माइनस साइन थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा इंटू 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा ये वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है और यहाँ कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा फाइंड करनी है. यहाँ थीटा कॉट थीटा इज 7/8, सो द थीटा इज एन acute angle. Then draw a right angled triangle and take theta is an acute angle. Suppose this one is a right angled triangle. The name of triangle is a triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, let angle C as a theta. Then here we know, first thing we know, solution is cot theta is equals to 7 upon 8. 7 upon 8 reason given. Number 2, according to the figure cot theta, observe the figure carefully. Cot theta means adjacent side which is a BC upon opposite side that is a AB. Reason by figure. The left side of first one is a cot theta, left side of second one that is also cot theta. The conclusion from 1 and 2 is BC upon AB that is equals to 7 upon 8 from 1 and 2. Here BC upon AB is a 7/8, then take common multiple of this ratio is x. Therefore BC is equals to 7x and AB is equals to 8x. BC is a 7x, then AB is a 8x. Then in triangle ABC, angle B as a right angle, then using Pythagoras, then AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square equals to 8x square plus 7x square. AC square equals to 64x square plus 49x square. Then AC square is equals to x square as it is. 9 plus 4, 13 for 3, carried 1, 7 plus 4, 11. Then AC is equals to under root 113 into x. AC is under root 113 into x. Then find the value of sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse and cos theta is equals to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side of theta is a AB upon hypotenuse is the AC. Adjacent side of theta is a BC upon AC. Put out the values. AB for 8x and AC for under root 113x. X get cancelled. 8 upon under root 113. BC for 7x. AC for under root 113x. Here also x get cancelled. Then cos theta equals to 7 upon under root 113. But what do we want to find? We want to find the value of this one. Fourth one. What is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Observe the numerator carefully. 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Here before the addition sign and before the subtraction sign, first term is same and also next terms are same. Means using the identities a plus b into a minus b, that is a square means first term square minus b square means second term square. upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, same 1 square minus cos theta whole square. Then 1 square is a 1 minus sin theta square is a sin square theta upon 1 square is a 1 minus cos square theta is a cos square theta. Then put out here values. Numerator is taking in the first bracket 1 for 1 upon 1 minus the value of sin theta is a 8 upon under root 113, taking square of this one divided by denominator is taking in the second bracket 1 means 1 upon 1 minus cos theta. What is the value of cos theta? 7 upon 113. Then 7 upon under root 113 their square 1 upon 1 minus 8 square 64 under root 113 square under root 113 divided in a bracket 1 upon 1 minus 49 upon 113. Here do the cross multiplication. 113 into 1 113 minus 1 into 64 64 upon 1 into 113 113 division as it is. Here also do the cross multiplication. 113 into 1 113 minus 1 into 49 49 upon 1 into 113 113. Here 113 minus 64 that is 49 upon 113 divided by 64 upon 113, then 49 upon 113 division convert into multiplication taking reciprocal of the other 113 upon 64. Here 113 get cancelled, that is 49 upon 64. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, that is equals to 49 upon 64. This one is the answer of first question. There is another second question is find the cot square theta. Here we know cot theta is equals to 7 upon 8. We want to find the cot square theta taking square of both sides. Cot square theta equals to 7 upon 8 whole square. So the cot square theta that is equals to 49 upon 64. This one is the last answer. Okay. Hope. Thank you friends.